diving into something seriously cool, something that could completely change the way you code. Whether you are just starting out with coding, you are already a pro developer, or someone looking to boost your productivity, this video is going to redefine how you build softwares. Definitely. And I'm not talking about ChatGPT. I'm talking about Trae IDE. Trae AI IDE is a supercharged AI powered coding IDE that is not just smart, it's almost like having a full stack AI engineer working right beside you. So let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a scenario that a ChatGPT was built directly into your coding editor, and instead of just giving you suggestions, it could actually create files, edit them, and delete them, and write code in the exact place it's needed in your project. What if it could run terminal commands, launch your app, open specific files, or automatically fix bugs, all from a single prompt, without you touching the keyboard? That's exactly what Trae AI brings to the table. But it doesn't stop there. Trae AI connects with something called MCP. So MCP is basically Model Context Protocol. It is an open standard that lets LLMs to talk directly to external tools like GitHub, YouTube, Slack, or even Figma. Yes, you can connect your Figma design via MCP, and Trae can understand that design and generate a fully working UI to match it using just a single prompt. It can also pull in real-time data, manage APIs, and build integrations that would normally take hours or even days, all with a few simple instructions. This tool actually doesn't just help you code, it helps you build, automate, and ship entire software like an actual software developer working for you. In this video, I will walk you through how to install Trae and how to use it most efficiently. So let's go. So first of all, what you have to do is head over to Trae AI. Okay, then find the download button and click on the download. So you can see download has been started, but I have already downloaded it. So I will just click on install for you, and click on the accept, next, next, next. Then we can click on these two. Okay, so we can open any folder just with open with Trae option and install. Let this finish, then I will come back again. Okay, if you have used VS Code, I don't have to explain anything because you are already familiar with that, but let me show you things that is more important. So here is the toggle AI sidebar button. You can click on that, and then you can see this is opened. This is the input box where you have to enter the prompt. Okay, and then the AI will perform the actions according to your prompt. First, I'm going to toggle the agent from chat to builder. This tells the AI it has permission to modify my project. Now for the prompt, I'm going to ask it to build a landing page for a restaurant. I'm telling it build a modern and responsive restaurant landing page using Next.js, Tailwind, CSS, and Chatcn for the components. Include a hero section, a menu section, a testimonial section, and a footer with contact information. So this is the basic prompt we have given it. I'm hitting enter, and now we watch. Okay, look at this. The first thing it's doing is analyzing the code base. It's planning its steps. It says it will examine the current pages, check the layout, and then start creating the components. This planning phase is crucial and shows it has real context. And there it goes. It's creating new files for the hero section, the menu, testimonials. It's generating all the JSX and styling without me touching a thing. This is incredibly powerful. While it's working, notice you can add context to your prompts using the @ symbol to reference files or folders and the # symbol to reference code snippets, a very handy feature. Okay, it's done. It's suggesting the command to run the development server. Since my server is already running, I'll just skip that. Now on the left, you can see all the changes it made. For this demo, I trust it, so I am going to click accept all. The moment of truth. Let's check the browser. And wow, see, here it is, a complete restaurant landing page. We have a header with a dark mode toggle, a hero section, different content section. The images are placeholders, of course, but we could easily add those. It even has a testimonial section and a beautiful footer. This was generated from a single prompt in about a minute. So yeah, that was impressive, but let's take it a step further with the builder with MCP agent. For this, I want to start fresh. A great feature in Trae is that you can easily revert all changes made by the AI. It's like a undo. So I will just revert that last step and we are back to our blank project. Perfect. Now I'm going to connect Trae to my Figma account. In the sidebar, I'll select Builder with MCP, click Add MCP. I'll search for Figma and add it using my personal access token. Okay, Figma is now connected. I have a portfolio website design I made in Figma. Now I'm going to give Trae a link to that Figma design and a new prompt. I'm telling it, take this Figma design and build a pixel perfect responsive portfolio website based on it using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. Let's see how it handles a visual source of truth. And once again, it's analyzing, but this time it's also passing the Figma file. It's creating components for the portfolio section. Let's give it a moment to finish. Alright, all changes accepted. Let's refresh the browser. Okay. Here's the result. Now being honest, it's not 100% pixel perfect clone of the Figma design that I have provided. The layout is there, the text is there, but some of the finer styling and spacing would need manual tweaking. However, it's still a phenomenal head start. It understood the structure, components and the colors from the design and scaffolded the entire project for me, and definitely a better starter than to start from scratch and code from scratch. So what does all this power cost? This is where I was genuinely surprised. Trae has a very generous free tier. You get a set number of fast and slow requests per minute, which is more than enough to get started and build real projects. But if you look at their pro plan, it's incredibly affordable. Full disclosure, this video is not sponsored. I'm just genuinely impressed by the value here. At around $10 a month or even less if you pay yearly, it's significantly cheaper than many competing AI tools for the power it gives you. That pricing is amazing. There are other features we didn't even cover, like creating your own custom agents for specific tasks. The possibilities are huge. So what's the conclusion? Basically, it's an incredibly powerful tool that represents the future of software development. It's not perfect, but its ability to understand context, build entire applications from a prompt, and integrate with external tools using MCP is absolutely mind-blowing. For students, beginners, and even pros looking to automate the tedious part of the coding, this is something you have to try. If you like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI. And now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what's the first thing you would try to build with the Trae AI. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.